Hey y'all, welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car channel. Today we're going to be working on this right here. And you may be asking yourself, what is said item? Well, I've actually made a fuse box for my Jeep. And so what I've done is just kind of just a plastic box, like a toolkit kind of thing. Just random one that I found, and then my dad had some old fuse panel, and so I just put that in the box, mounted it in there, and just kind of put some blocks in there, and yeah, so that's for the headlights and tail lights and all that good stuff on the Jeep. So what we need to do is mount this, or actually what we need to do is drill this for the mounts, and then we're going to hook the wires up, and then we'll mount it later on when I put the fenders back on it. So originally, if you'll come with me, I was going to kind of mount it in this area right here. And when I mocked it up, it's just too tight up in here to do that. I mean, it'd almost be like a modern car if I put it right there. I like the space, it's just too much stuff in here though. And by the time you try to get this thing open, of course that wire wouldn't be there. With the fender on, I think it's just going to be hard to work on, to be able to get fuses to it. And even if I turned it over so that I did have top access, still at that point it would be like set it like that. I think it's just going to be too hard to really get access to. Looking at my fender, I saw this bit of real estate right here, and it's already got holes. Let's take a look at this thing. Man, does it mount up real nice right there. And so those holes line up real nice. I can run the wires in real easy, and it's just a great fit. So I think I'm wanting to drill the holes for that spot, and well, actually transfer the holes into the box for that spot, and then kind of hook the wires up independent of that, and then we'll mount it at a different point. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Not sure how this is going to go exactly. This is kind of a seat of the pants, but hey, this entire project is seat of the pants type of thing. So okay, so just looking at the random hole pattern that they have here, it's kind of offset here. This is not square with one another. That is, but these two are, but this one isn't. And so I may have to drill another hole. I don't know what was mounted here at some point. So the question you may be asking yourself is, Jay, why the heck are you making fuse boxes? You know they make inline fuse holders and so on and so forth. Yes, I know that they make those, and maybe that would have been easier. I just kind of like the idea of having a fuse box where all of that is kind of makes it easier for troubleshooting. And two, when I priced them out at the automotive store, they were about $5 a piece. And so for what I needed to, it was like 25-30 bucks or more. I'm not exactly sure. And they didn't have them all. And so I made this box for free, which is random stuff laying around my house and my dad's house. So that's why I did it. A little redneck engineering, I guess you could call it. So we're going to try it out. If it doesn't work, I can always convert to inline fuses. It's not a big deal.